Bella? Is this for you?
You.
It's me.
What's in there?
Kind.
Coloring.
What's
What's that? Well, she wants to see what's in the basket first. Oh, coloring. And they're pickup monkeys. One. Oh, yeah. Bella. Oh, you put it here. Okay, now put it here, Bella. Put it inside. Put it in your basket. Put this in there. Look, it's a ring. Watch it.
Oh, what's that, Bella?
Okay. Put your egg in here. No, you go like this. Look, here's another one.
What do you want?
No. Bella, here, where's this? What's this? Oh. Put it in here. No, not open. Bella, now look. Look, what's those? Okay, get that one. Oh! Oh, again. Open the... You don't have to open all of them.
Alright.
Bella, what's that? Okay, Bella. Bella, what's that?
Just drop it, Bella.
Bella, let's see if there are more. Come here. Come. Bella, are there more eggs? Bella, come. Look.
How about on the table?
Bella, look, there's more.
What is that in there?
Wait, I just want to see. Look, here's more.
There, in your basket.
Put it in your basket. Bella, what's that? Bella, show Dada. There's one over there. Look over here. Look.
Oh! Another one? Oh boy, you got
Over here?
lots.
Put them in here, Mommy.
No way,
You can
Dad. It's
hold
all
them.
mine. Lucky you're alone for now. You can have everything there. Next year, Grace only will be with you.
Bella, there's more. Bella, look, eggs. Bella, what's this?
Oh,
No?
no more. I'm tired. I got enough. I have enough, Sam.
Oh, jeez. Dad, she just wants to open them all.
How old were you when you went to the park?
Oh, no, I was older because I can remember it.
You went to Victoria Park and with Aaron and got all those eggs. How many did you get?
Lots. And then I think some of them had numbers on them and then they had to draw. Or am I just making that up now? Oh, Bella. Happy Easter.
Yeah. Yesterday, been the park at 7 o'clock in the morning. Wow. That's for Miss Bella.
Bella, show Lola what you found. All she wants to do is unwrap the chocolate. She doesn't even want to eat it. She kind of puts it... Yeah, which is good.
Oh, he's eating it, Daddy.
Mmm.
Is that your own pancake, girl?
You think he wants to go to the chair? And now he's having fun already.
That sounds like a good operation. Bella unpeels, Dad eats it. Are you eating one?
Yep, she's having her mouth.
Mmm.
You gonna chew it?
They're stuck on it. Yeah, they're quite big.
Oh, great. Well, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Well.
Thank you, Bella. We can empty the other eggs.
Oh no, you sit when you got that in your mouth.
You sit, please. Happy Easter. Oh, well, I guess there's nothing. How many eggs is that now?
4.
That's pretty funny.
Bella, go wash your hands. Your hands are dirty.
Mommy will get a wipe. I'll get